Hello students, today we will start exercise 6.1. Our first question is, in figure line AB and CD intersect at O. If AOC and angle BOE is equals to 70 degree and angle BOD is equals to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Means we have to find reflex angle COE this and angle BOE this angle. And what is given? AOC plus BOE is equals to 70 degree and BOD is equals to 40 degree. So AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOB is equals to 180 degree since AB is a straight line. Now angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree, and angle AOC plus BOE we are writing together because these are given 70 degree. So 70 degree plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree. So angle COE is equals to 180 minus 70, which is 110 degree. Now reflex angle COE is equals to 360 minus 110 degree, which is equals to 250, because 360 complete angle is 360 degree. Also AB and CD intersect at O. So angle COA is equals to angle BOD, vertically opposite angles. But angle BOD is equals to 40 degree given. Therefore angle COA is equals to 40 degree. Now this is given the question, angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. So in place of angle AOC we are putting 40 degree. So 40 degree plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. So angle BOE is equals to 70 degree minus 40 degree, which is equals to 30 degree. Thus angle BOE is equals to 30 degree and reflex angle COE is equals to 250 degree. Now question number 6. In figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If POY is equals to 90 degree and A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3, find C. Now, since XOY is a line and B plus A plus angle POY is equals to 180 degree, so B plus A is equals to 180 minus 90 degree. Why 90? Because angle POY is given 90 degree. So B plus A is equals to 90 degree, and this we are taking as equation 1. Also A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3. This is given in the question. Therefore B is equals to 3A upon 2, and this we are taking as equation 2. Now from equation first and second we get 3A upon 2 plus A is equals to 90 degree. So on solving we'll get 5A upon 2 is equals to 90 degree. Now A is equals to 90 degree upon 5 multiply 2, which is equals to 36 degree. And now from equation second, B is equals to 3A upon 2. Now we are putting 36 in place of A, so 3 upon 2 into 36 is equals to 54. Since XY and MN intersect at O, so C is equals to A plus angle POY, vertically opposite angle. This angle is equals to this vertically opposite angle. Right. Now C is equals to 36 plus 90 degree, which is equals to 126 degree. Thus the required measure of angle C is equals to 126 degree. Now question number 3. In figure, angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. Now see, S3 is a straight line and angle PQR plus angle PQS, this is equals to 180 degree linear pair. Similarly, angle PRT plus angle PRQ is equals to 180 degree, again linear pair. And from equation first and equation second, we get angle PQS plus angle PQR is equals to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. And this is given the question. that angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Therefore, angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. Question number 4. In figure, if x plus y is equals to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Now, x plus y plus z plus w is equals to 360, complete angle. Now, x plus y we are writing together and z plus w we are writing together. Now, in place of z plus w, we can write x plus y because this is given in the question. X plus y is equals to w plus z. So, twice of x plus y is equals to 360. So, x plus y is equals to 360 upon 2, which is equals to 180. Therefore, AOB is a straight line. Now, question number 5. In figure, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Now see, POQ is a straight line. Angle POS plus angle ROS plus angle ROQ is equals to 180. But OR is perpendicular to PQ. Now, angle ROQ is equals to 90 degree. Now, angle POS plus angle ROS plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Angle POS plus angle ROS is equals to 90 degree. Now, angle ROS is equals to 90 degree minus angle POS, and this we are taking as equation 1. Now, we have angle ROS plus angle ROQ is equals to angle QOS. Now, angle ROS plus 90 degree is equals to angle QOS, and angle ROS is equals to QOS minus 90 degree, and this we are taking as equation 2. Now, adding equation 1 and 2, we have twice of angle ROS is equals to angle QOS minus angle POS. Now, angle ROS is equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. This is all about our question number 5. Now, question number 6. It is given that angle XYZ is equals to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflects angle QYP. Now see, XYP is a straight line, so angle XYZ, this, plus angle ZYQ, this, and plus angle QYP is equals to 180 degree because this is a straight line. Now, in place of angle XYZ, we are writing 64 because this is given the question. So, 64 degree plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP is equals to 180 degree. Now, 64 degree plus twice of angle QYP. Why twice of angle QYP? Because YQ bisects angle ZYP. So, angle QYP is equals to angle ZYQ. Now, 64 plus twice of angle QYP is equals to 180. So, twice of angle QYP is equals to 180 minus 64 degree, which is equals to 116 degree. So, on solving, angle QYP is equals to 116 degree upon 2, which is equals to 58 degree. Now, to find reflex angle QYP, we'll subtract 58 from 360 because 360 is the complete angle. So, reflex angle QYP is equals to 302 degree. Now, since angle XYQ is equals to angle XYZ plus angle plus angle ZYQ, so angle XYQ is equals to 64 degree plus angle QYP. Why? Because angle XYZ is equals to 64 given and angle XYQ is equals to angle QYP. Now, angle XYQ is equals to 64 degree plus 58 degree. And on adding, we'll get 122. So, angle XYQ is equals to 122 degree. Now, thus we will get angle XYQ is equal to 122 degree and reflex angle QYP is equals to 302 degree. Now, this is all about this exercise.